No, it wasn't. It wasn't, right? Oh my god, can you bring me my lip gloss in the room? Why are you placing? Hi everyone, miss me? I know you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. And if you've been watching me for a while, I do appreciate it. Now let's jump right into this review of the new Colorcl Tint Bling contact lenses. So keep on watching. So Colorcl will be releasing new colored contact lenses to add to their collection. It's going to be called the Tint Bling contact lenses, and they will be released on December 27th. I am going to put up the part of the email that they sent me right here that has all the information. They are going to be releasing the Tint Bling Blue, Tint Bling Brown, which are the ones that I'm wearing, as well as the Tint Bling Gray colored contact lenses. I'm super excited because I couldn't wait to try them out. They sent them to me because I am a part of their affiliate program, thanks to you all. And I couldn't wait to try them out and get a feel for them just so I can give you guys, of course, an honest, proper review. So let me first show you the specs, pretty much like all of their specs. I'll throw it up here on the screen. And again, they're going to be released on December 27th. And of course, you can use my coupon code, which they have given to me, Lizette10. I'm going to put it up here on the screen as well as in the description box down below. Just make sure when you go into the description box, just click on the link and it'll take you straight to their website. Now, by the time I release this video, I'm pretty sure they probably won't be up yet. But just keep in mind, they will be coming out very, very soon. Now, let's get right into the colors. So I'm going to show you all of the colors. The Tint Bling Blue, Tint Bling Brown, and Tint Bling Gray. And I'm going to ask you, of course, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Are you interested in this release? What do you think about these contact lenses? Do you like the style and everything? Let me know in the comment section down below. But first, here are the contacts, starting with the Tint Bling Blue. Here's the Tint Bling Brown.
Behind your back, chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army.
And of course, the Tint Bling Gray. So let me know, what do you guys think? As usual, I'm going to be showing you up close shots of the colored contact lenses while I put them in order of my most favorite to least favorite. Now, it's important to note for these contacts, I'm going to put it up on the screen right here, These contacts are contact lenses that are made by the Lens Town, which is a contact lens domestic store in Korea like Olens. This is called the iris lens, which is popular in Korea. The lens covers only the iris without covering the entire eye. So the limbal ring of the original eye is not covered in color. Also, these lenses have a glitter, like a siesta pearl collection, which pops in the eye. So with these lenses, as soon as you put them on, that is the first thing that popped out to me. I do love glitter on contact lenses. I honestly think they make your eyes pop more and stand out more. As soon as I put on the Tint Bling Brown contact lenses, that's the first thing that popped out at me. I do love that. So now let me tell you which ones were my most favorite. My most favorite, I do love the Tint Bling Brown. Of course, you guys know how much I love brownish hazel or hazel green or hazelnut colored contact lenses. Those are my favorite kinds of contact lenses, hands down, because I love contacts that obviously are natural and that add just a little bit of pop to my complexion and of course with my hair color and everything else. I do love the finish of brown or brownish green colored contact lenses. So Tint Bling Brown was my favorite pair, as you can see up close. I will say they do look a little unnatural, but I love how they look in natural sunlight. I'm going to try and show you how they look in natural sunlight. I didn't do it with this camera here. I use my phone. So I'm going to show you how they look in natural sunlight. The sun is like out and bright and shiny today. And I just absolutely love how they look in the natural sunlight. I feel like in room lighting, perhaps they can pass for your own natural eyes, but again, they don't really look that natural like the other contacts, like the cream collection from Colorcl or any of the other collections. I feel like those look more natural. These are a little bit unnatural, but I do love how they look in natural sunlight. So the next color that I liked was the Tint Bling Gray. Those contacts look really pretty. I love the color of gray mixed with my own light brown eyes. Also, these lenses, they blended pretty well with my own light brown eyes. I guess because of the style of the lens, it is kind of different. It's not really what I'm used to, but I like that it blends very well with my eye and it isn't that opaque. So I feel like if you have dark eyes, I'm not sure how these will look on you, but I'm pretty sure they probably will look very nice, but they just don't cover, as the email said, they don't cover the whole iris of the eye, and they do add sparkle and make your eyes brighter, if you ask me, which I absolutely love. The last, of course, is the Tint Bling Blue. You guys know I'm not really a huge fan of blue contacts simply because it's a personal preference. They don't really look too natural on me personally, and because everyone in real life and everyone that I know has pretty much seen me with brown colored contacts or light brown or hazelnut, so all of a sudden they pop out with some blue contacts. It's like, okay, we know you're wearing contacts kind of thing. So they're not really my favorite, but they are pretty, especially in natural sunlight, and they will pass for, I guess, your real blue eyes if no one knows you don't have blue eyes, I guess, in natural lighting. But let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think of these contacts? Are you interested in purchasing them? Which are your favorite? Which are your least favorite that I tried on that you're kind of like, Lizette, you could do without that? Let me know all of that in the comment section down below. I love to hear your guys' thoughts. I know this week has been pretty hectic for me. It's been a crazy work schedule. It's been a really early work schedule. But I will have more content coming for you guys, I promise. And of course, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the red button and click the bell notification if you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, as well as live a fun and healthy lifestyle. Hit that red subscribe button, join the family, and follow me on my social medias. I usually like to put pictures up of me with my different makeup looks and my color contacts over on my Instagram. So I'm going to put my Instagram handle here and all my other social medias. I put them in the description box and throughout my video. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to click on the link in the description box down below and check out the lenses. By the time this video goes up, they probably might not be out yet, but they will be out on December 27th. I really do appreciate it. Thank you all, and I will see you all very soon. Bye!